What's up? I'm Richard Kavanagh. I'm a freelance session stylist, which means in my world, no 2 days are ever the same. From hair directing fashion shows to shooting campaigns and editorial, my life is very different every single day. The fashion's changed, my craft is evolving, and I've been waiting for this tool forever. And of course, GHD's delivered. So this is a professional quality, thin curling wand. It creates amazing curls that hold for 24 hours and even longer. GHD's done an amazing job with this tool. It's lightweight, ergonomically designed, it's super compact, and the added control I get with this tool in my kit is phenomenal. You know, time is of the essence when you're styling your hair, whether you're backstage like me or whether you're at home. So this amazing technology, which is PTC heating technology, heats to 185 degrees Celsius, which is the optimum temperature for styling hair, meaning that you can create curls in like 3 seconds flat. So if you know me, you know that I'm an absolute nerd when it comes to hair, and the team in Cambridge have delivered again with the thin wand. It has a thin ceramic coating on the outside, which creates incredible, luxurious, shiny, glossy curl. As a freelance session stylist, my kit is everything. It's an extension of my hands, and I'm so excited to have this tool in my kit now. Believe me when I tell you that this tool is going to help you and me unleash your creativity. The look that immediately springs to mind with this thin wand is that 70s disco resurgence. You know, we want to get big, beautiful, glamorous, floaty hair. I've never had a tool in my kit that I can do that with, so I've always had to make shift or make do. So I'm pumped to get this in. One of the awesome things that you might not notice when you first look at this tool is that there's a little fine texture on the barrel. So when you're wrapping the hair and curling it, it grips slightly on the barrel so it doesn't slip off and slide out. It makes it so much easier to create incredible curls. This new tool is an absolute must for my kit. I'm so stoked to have it. I know that I won't be able to travel anywhere without it anymore, and it's all thanks to the unrivaled technology and performance of GHD. And I can't wait to get cracking with it.